a.m. 6:14 a.m. on a Tuesday. What am I doing? Hey. So I have no plans for this video. Let me get in my bed. Hey y'all, welcome back to Najee's World. I'm Najee. Duh. Every time I come on to start a new video, I always look a mess. Anyways, yes, you did do that right. It's 6:14 in the morning on Tuesday. It's still dark. Ooh, that's very messy. It's still dark outside. I did not go to sleep. Why, you may ask? I have no idea. And you know what's even worse? I have a test today. A detrimental, life-threatening test. And I'm not sleeping. Why not? I don't know. Let me tell you what I was doing Monday. So Monday, made a new banner. Let me show y'all. There's the banner, and then I just changed my profile picture to my Instagram one. It's 6:21. I don't have to get out of here, my dorm, until like 12, because my class is at 12:40, but I'm taking a shuttle. Who's walking up that hill? Well, it's May, so I have time. And then in the morning, I'm gonna study more because I'm not playing around. Oh, also, I've not been active on like barely any social media, and that's also gonna change. I don't know what happened to me. What happened to me? I don't know. But we're gonna fix it up. I feel like a grandma. Like I'm young and turd. Like I don't know what's going on. Like what? But it's all gonna be situated and fixed and rejuvenated, and we're just gonna I'll see y'all in daylight. Okay y'all, it's daytime. It's 7:23 and I still haven't gone to sleep, and my room looks like this. So let's clean it. There's also dishes in the sink that need to be done, so we can do that too, maybe, if I'm not too lazy.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like scorn.
I just realized my playlist is very random. Not my playlist. I just hit show.
Yeah, smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grown when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
This is right done. It's 7:48, and I'm going to handle my hygiene stuff, and then I'm gonna continue to study. And I'm not gonna film that part because it's nothing really to see. I'm just looking at a screen and writing this. But I'll talk to y'all later when I'm about to leave or something. All right, y'all. So it's 11:39 and my class is at 12:40, but I take the shuttle up the hill because who's walking up that hill? Not me. So yeah, I usually just leave earlier. I don't mind it. Bro, my hair is growing up tremendously. Goodness. I'm gonna have my black out sunscreen. I did as much studying as I could. I don't know how I'm gonna do. It's in God's hands now. But afterwards, me and Joanna are gonna hang out. So y'all can see Joester. I'm honestly surprised I'm still functioning. Pretty sure after the test, I'm gonna crash because I'm trying to keep myself hype because I need to finish it. But afterwards, it's free game. And the body, I'm gonna wear the Victoria's Secret pomegranate and lotus balance, and then the Perfect Marc Jacobs perfume. It's all in my mouth. It's 11:44. I'm gonna check the shuttle schedule. I'm nervous. I really want to pass. Raw materials has beginning balance, and then they have what purchases, and then they have ending balance, and then whatever else is like indirect, and then one. Yeah, we're just gonna continue with the noggin information, you know, and then when the time comes. Wearing these, they dirty as hell, but they gonna have to do. And I put on my shirt and I just tied it in the back because can't even see it. But I tied it in the back only because I wasn't feeling it like at all. But I'm about to go put on my shoes, get my bag, and then I got it.
To take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby.
Hey vlog. Guys, look. I'm tatted like Naja Youngster now.
Goodbye.
I'm gonna talk to people. It is 2:17 now.
I'm devastated.
And Naja's done with class. I'm semi-done with class. I'm supposed to be in class right now, but I'll join back. Don't even worry about it. I had to give a speech today in Principles of Speech, and I did it on Rihanna, and I think it went well. So yeah, she had a test, so pray for us, that both of us.
I think I did okay on the
did
test. Good. Keep y'all updated.
I have a test tomorrow, and so I need to study now. Yesterday was her, now it's me.
Love how I still haven't taken my nap or my sleep or anything for that matter. So very much wide awake, experiencing life, living with the times. Joester's still here.
Buying some shoes.
Yeah, she got money.
I have a Visa vanilla card.
I wish I had a Visa fucking card. But no, yeah, we're not doing nothing too much. we're gonna go outside soon. Wink, wink. No, but yeah, we're gonna go outside soon and experience nature like we should as nature loving children. Hey vlog, we're back from the nature, from being with the civilians. By civilians I mean Howard students. Gasp. But yeah, nothing really interesting happened.
Went to the store.
Yeah, she got snacks. I got a lemon pure leaf. But I don't know if we're doing anything else today. The most exciting thing was me going to a test and having my blood pumping, my heart beating, nerves nerving. But yeah, nothing exciting today.
I'm studying for the rest of it. So
yeah, Johanna has a test tomorrow. It's a very difficult test, and we're praying for her. Yes, praying for her. Even though I'll see this much later, just pray for her. Yeah, on Thursday, me and Joanna are going to take pictures and stuff, so definitely be filming that. So I might see y'all on Thursday. I might see y'all whenever.
Bye.
See you later. Hey guys, I'm back. It's 6:44 and I just had an idea because I'm bored. And it's Tuesday, I had nothing else to do. So I was like, let me get smacked and do my makeup. And then we take pictures after and then yeah, why not? So welcome to Nachi's world. If you haven't been watching the video, you didn't know where we were before, you're with me. Sorry. I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. Did you guys watch Baddies East, the first episode? This season is gonna be so good. I'm ready. I have a vegan red velvet cake from New Vegan here at our illustrious Howard University. I took a bite. Oh, it was good. I'm gonna eat this. Ooh. Wow. Spectacular. Don't even think you're watching, kids. Alright, so I'm back. And I will be playing music. Just letting y'all know the shuffle goes crazy. So we starting off with some Nicki.
He in love with a ghetto girl. He's only want a piece like Mellow World.
Are we ready for Pink Print 2? Guys, are we ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Like, last time I saw you already has me in my email bag. You know? And then the big difference, bad bitches man keep on by the two. It's the bad you. Yeah, we gonna switch to the song again. I'm like, we spinning on some DJ. Nicki was cool, but now we go to some flow. You know flow? Flow. See what I'm talking about?
He said, go to sleep, don't wait, I'll be working later.
3 hours, us. That was too much.
Yeah.
Bro, I've been padding for a minute. I'm so sorry.
Hey, what?
superstars when I was 19. Does that mean step in my game? Bro, why am I so on the foundation? Ah, I love it. Why are you dying? We're back. And I don't have any more concealer on my face because it dried up. And yeah. Jania, she's in there. Genia. She got it. I'm the same thing. That was these birds, but they stuck up in their eyes when they squeeze the food. I'm gonna just come back when I have my lashes on. Lips and hello and lips and you know that's round. This is basically the finished face. I don't know, I don't think I did that good. I haven't done like a beat in a minute. It's whatever. But I'm gonna bring on my ring light because it's really dark and I'm gonna take pictures and stuff. And I'm gonna do something right here. Let me change my shirt and then we'll come back. Alright, vlog. It's 10:43 and I'm finished. I took my pictures. I'm gonna post some on my story. I'm posting on Instagram tomorrow. And then me and Joy are taking pictures on Thursday. I don't know if I'm filming tomorrow. If I am, I'll see y'all tomorrow. If not, I'll definitely I'll definitely be seeing y'all Thursday because y'all can come along with us. Okay? Okay. Good night. Go like my Instagram post right now. Thanks. What's up, y'all? It's Wednesday, 12:30. I have Spanish at 1:10, so I'm about to leave to catch a shuttle. And then I don't know what I'm doing today. We're just gonna go with life. But I'll show you my outfit. I'm wearing this shirt I got way too big from Victoria. Fashion Nova. These shorts from Fashion Nova. And I'm wearing my dunk. I have no plans today to do nothing. Just going with whatever. I just know I have to do some type of schoolwork today. But yeah, let's get on with the day. Oh, I have to remember like Spanish days. Oh, hola. Mi nombre es Naje. Period. Spanish, 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 Spanish. Hey guys. So I'm in the wild. I'm outside. I'm at Benny. I'm like at the park, tennis court area. But I'm about to do some things here. It's hot. But yeah, we're about to do some things. You know what that means. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. But yeah. This is my activity. Got out of Spanish. Took a quiz. I think I did good. She said everyone in the class did good, so I think I did good. But yeah, we got let out early. So that's good too. But now yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then afterwards, I don't know what I'm doing afterwards. Well, I have to do schoolwork eventually, but yeah. Oh, and I posted my pictures, so it was posted Wednesday, September 20th. Go like, go see you from this video if you want to. I don't know. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. I'm going back to Towers to meet Joester, and then we're gonna go to Blackburn to get food. I was just about to order Chick-fil-A, but she did save me.
I think it wasn't so bad, but let's see what I actually get. We're here waiting for the shuttle.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get some food. Where are we going? We're going to Blackburn. Hi.
Why do you keep doing that? And I never started up again. We made it to Blackburn. I got grilled cheese and fries and then a sorry. What? What is a sorry? Anyway, Joey stir. Cranberry juice. Cranberry water now. I'm not missing them. Yeah, we're gonna eat and then Joanne was ice cream from the C-store. Okay, so we came back to Towers and then we're gonna go to the store, but it was closed. So now we're going to our home.
I don't see like Whole Foods actually.
Whole Foods? You want to?
Yeah.
Okay. Whole Foods is the move. See you in Whole Foods, I guess. Okay, we're in Whole Foods and I definitely remember why I stopped coming here because it's very expensive. $7 ice cream. $8 ice cream.
It's really good. I'm not gonna lie.
Jonas is good, but is it good enough to spend $8 out of my cut up checking account? Like, come on. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but there's a lot of options here. Let me show you the options. The options. So many options. So many options and more options. And more. Why did Ben & Jerry's one so ugh? And more. I'll probably get something from here. This.
Oh, that's so good.
That's so good. I'll probably get that. We'll see though. We'll see. We make up our minds. You'll know what we have and stuff. Okay, so these are our choices. Mine is the Helen Tea caramel cookie crunch, and Joester's is
American Dream.
Ben & Jerry's. We're gonna go pay and give Hope with more of our money. Catch y'all on the flip side. Okay, I decided I want pictures.
Of course, I have to take that.
Is the background good?
Yeah. Read behind the scenes, guys.
Alright, so I'm back in my place of residence. Joanne went back to her room and I'm about to either edit or try and do some work. Probably edit because I have a habit of letting all my videos sit and then I don't touch it, and then when it's time to edit them, I don't want to. So I might edit some of the video, like footage of yesterday, some today, and then do some work. Yeah, but other than that, I really have nothing else to do. I'll come back if something else happens, but time to work. Also, go like my video. I'm gonna post tomorrow, and then my video, my picture, and then the picture I take tomorrow is gonna post it on Friday. Yeah. I'll see you. I'll talk to you later. Hey vlog. It's 10:04, and I did do what I said I was gonna do. I edited all the videos, and I did yesterday, and I did today. Whatever we filmed today. Proud of myself. But I'm contemplating if I want to go outside and experience nature. That's our code. That's gonna be our code. Experiencing nature. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, then I'm meant to get it. See you tomorrow. The third and final day of our 72 hours together.
Look at her. Look at the mama, man. Look at her. That ain't it.
Good morning. So 11 o'clock. It's not gonna be morning anymore, but it's 11 o'clock, and as I saw, I was doing my what is it, philosophy? Yeah, some of my philosophy work. So I did part 1. I'll do part 2 later because yeah, but it's Thursday now. Hey, it's Thursday, the last day of my 72 hours. Yeah. Today I don't have nothing really planned except for taking pictures with Joanna, and I still have to figure out what outfit I want to wear and all that stuff. I think I have a place so we can take pictures at. It's like near here, but I don't really know. It's gonna be see. But I'm mad at 11:10. Am I going? No, it's online, so no. But I do have accounting at 12:40. I realized I don't have any around my eyebrow stuff, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and they're a little part when this is done. I'm a scholar. I do scholar things, guys. Do my eyebrows, and then I'm also gonna get ready and see how when I see y'all.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you.
Hola! Y'all haven't seen me in a minute. It's sophomore year. I didn't get to say that to y'all. It's sophomore season. We're in Towers. I'm leaving this weekend, but I came to get a mini suitcase because I didn't have one and I ripped mine. So yeah, but hola vlog. Y'all see me more. Najee got the luckiest room, bro.
Don't show it.
She got the look, bro. Everyone, like, not everyone knows, but mostly everybody's sharing, and she got the biggest single.
Okay.
It's just not fair. But yeah, hi vlog.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too.
Hey, I'm doing my makeup. Should I give them a makeup tutorial? I'm going to. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna touch up my eyebrows because they're looking a little crusty. On concealer, couldn't tell. Now I use one size, dark deep.
So most of Joanna's makeup routine is cut out because I was doing some not allowed on YouTube things. That sounds wrong. Wait, pause.
You didn't even hear.
What?
I was saying my highlighter, I only put it really on my nose tip, under my eyebrows, and a little above my nip, but my lip.
Are you good?
I'm bored of doing this. No, Jay. I think this is getting boring now.
So stop.
Well, I tried, you guys.
Wait, what? This is the foot. This is bottom. Plus these. Cute, right? Why is my camera about to die? Got you. But yeah, we're gonna go and to our destination.
We're taking pictures now, and I went first because Najee said she didn't want to go first. Now it's her turn.
I was Okay guys, so the pictures were taken and now we're at Banneker by the pool, as you can see. Swim, and we're experiencing nature. When we go back, I'm gonna cook because one, I'm hungry. I didn't eat anything all day. I had Pringles and water. What is that? So we're about to make myself a girl dinner, girl dinner, girl dinner. Yeah, after we're done experiencing nature, I'm gonna go back, look at my pictures, because I'm posting tomorrow Friday, right? It's Friday. And then cook, make a meal. Okay, bye. This is so ghetto. Like, what? Okay guys, I'm back in my room and I'm about to clean up this mess because it's too dirty. It's too dirty. And I'm gonna take off my makeup and my clothes and stuff, and then we're gonna start with the cooking show. Oh, the pictures came out good. From what I saw, they looked okay, but looks can be very deceiving. Very deceiving, you know? This skirt is very cute, by the way. I got it from Shein, and this top is from Shein. Bye. All right, chingus. That's friends in Korean. Okay, so it's now 8:37. I wasted a lot of time. I was looking at my pictures, editing them. Actually, I got a little sneak peek. This is one of them edited. I mean, not edited, and this is edited. It looks so, they came out good. Joanna ate, but I'm starving. Like, my stomach is touching my mouth. So it seems like a great time to start cooking. You know, it's like 8 and I should have started cooking before, but it's okay, whatever, I don't care. It's something, I'm not making nothing too fancy smancy. It's literally ground beef and rice. I'm terrible at this adulting shit. I'm with onions, so.
Even if you gotta leave somebody, yes I'm hurt, yes I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say, I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say, I won't be around while you chase.
Okay, so it's 10 o'clock now and a lot has happened. I made my food. It was getting too hectic, so I didn't vlog it, but the fire alarm went off and I thought it was me. But I don't think it was me because I finished cooking. So I don't think it was me. But my God, it was mad loud. So then we had to go outside, came back, I cleaned up the kitchen and stuff. And now I'm about to eat and drink my pure leaf lemon. And then watch my YouTube. But you've gotten to the end of Najee's 72 hours. I mean, 72 hours with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I like my pictures on Instagram. Thanks for stepping in to Najee's world. Bye.